Hello everyone. So once you want to start this project, first of all you take out the pieces which is shown in the video. So you take two motors. Over here you can see there are wires connected to the motor. So in your kit the wires may not be there. So first solder the wires to the motor and then start fixing with this nut and bolt and then this clamps. So in this model you can see there is no cut. Okay, so we haven't given you the cut because that makes the structure little weak. Okay, so now when you tighten it all the nut and bolt, try to add a small amount of glue on it, like glue guns uh, thing, and then like while the motors are running, it will not come out. Then in the same way, try to make the another structure in this way. Take a nut and bolt and place it over there. So the same thing you will be repeating it again two times. So this is like once you complete all the four of them, now you have to take this L clamp because now we are going to place it on the main board. So over here you can see this board will be there in your kit box. So first of all place all the four L clamps in such a way as shown in the video. So once all the four of them are done, then you place the side ones first, which is connected with the L clamp. So the same thing you have to repeat it on the other side. So now take the side clamps and then try to fix it up. So the back side will be totally done. So now you can see both the sides are done. So now it's time for the front side. So this need to be little careful because we are going to connect with two different nuts, and during when we operate this robot, these nuts will try to become loose first. So you can apply little glue gun on top of it so that the screw doesn't open easily. Yeah, so you can see one side is done. In the same way you do it for the another side. And yeah, so this is done. So now take out the wire from the small hole given on both the side, and then you can place the other side part of it. Now here a small important thing what we have done, like we haven't made it like a nut and bolt, because most of the time we do lot of experiment and we open, so that's why it is a kind of rubber one. so it is very easy to make the things attached together, and whenever we want to open it or when we want to make changes, it's very easy to open and then again fix it. This is the very important task. If you are a kid, please take the help of your parents, because when you put this wheel, it will be little tough to do it, and always hold the motor side. Okay, so once you hold the motor side, there is no chance of breaking or anything, and since it takes effort to get in, it will be not coming out easily when you are driving the motors. Okay, so till here, and then we have the top part, and in this top part we have given both the section, either you can do with the servo motor or without a servo motor, and the center hole is for getting the wires from the top. So you can see how easily we are just placing the rubber band, and the structure is very stable.